Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today I've got a Porsche Cayenne installing some standard size number plates. I'm going to use our standard bracket to install in the car, and I might show you a few features that might help you. Let's get into it. So these are the standard plates we'll be installing. Standard meaning that's the slim and that's the standard. That's about 100 tall. They vary a little bit by state. These are 134 tall, which is standard across Australia. Now these are quite popular, especially in Victoria, because if you mix letters and numbers, they give you a standard size. So you'll be using a standard number plate bracket to adapt it to some existing holes onto the Porsche. I'll show you the holes and I'll show you how this bracket can help in this particular situation. So these are the plates we're taking off the Porsche. As you can see, the dealership has installed it using the existing holes there and there, which is perfect because if you were to swap this straight over, look how low it hangs. That's not quite right. So by using our standard bracket, that hole already exists. So we can bolt it straight up and then adjust up and down. Even if the dealership has installed it using the other holes, that still exists here, which allows you that adjustability so you can position the plates where you like. Another great thing about standard plate brackets is that it's big enough to accommodate almost every manufacturer's standard mounting points into here. So for example, Porsche Cayenne, they're the holes for the Porsche. Audis are very similar, BMW. We've also got Mercedes, Alfa Romeo, all types of manufacturer mounting holes are in here. So it becomes a straight bolt-on solution. So just line up, use the hardware supplied, and we supply enough hardware to do almost every car. Plates go on, and it's a straight bolt-on. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's get these plates in the car and see how it looks. There you have it, standard size number plates fitted to a Porsche. Now remember, these brackets are quite versatile. It already has mounting points for Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, you name it, it'd be in there, making it a direct bolt-on. It also comes with a very comprehensive fitting kit to suit every types, including polycarbonate plates. So look, I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.